Hey everybody, today we're going to compare three important measurements on the Tamiya XV-01 and the XV-02. We're going to compare the weight of each chassis, the ground clearance, and its wheel speed. So let's get started. Alright, we're going to weigh each car in both ounces and grams. So here's the XV-01. We have 42.6 ounces or 1,206 grams. And the XV-02 is going to be 38.9 ounces or 1,102 grams. So clearly the XV-01 weighs more than the XV-02. Alright, and for the ground clearance we have this setup. This is the XV-01 and it's stopping at 3, and I'll measure how tall that is. Alright, and at the 3 mark is 13 millimeters. Let's try the XV-02. Okay. Alright, the XV-02 is a lot taller, so I'm going to have to use my off-road gauge. It's going to be between like 1 click. I'll just say it's 2 clicks. So let's see how tall this is. Alright, so at 2 clicks it's 21.88 millimeters. So we can just roughly say it's around 21 millimeters. I think that shows it pretty clearly. XV-01 has approximately 13 millimeters clearance, and the XV-02 has approximately 21 millimeters clearance. So we have a difference of 8 millimeters. Alright, and for the wheel speed test, I'm going to be using this Reedy Wolfpack 2S battery with a Tamiya adapter. Both cars are using the Hobbywing 1060 brushed ESC and a Tamiya brushed motor. Alright, so I'll be using the same receiver and transmitter for both cars. I have a piece of reflective tape on both wheels, and we'll see if there's a difference between wheel speed in the front and rear. I'm going to take 5 measurements of each wheel, and we'll average out the results. Alright, now I'm going to recharge the battery and test the XV-02. Alright, this is the XV-02 and the battery's been recharged. And the front. Alright, let's look at the numbers, see if we can draw any conclusions. Alright, now we know the XV-02 is lighter and has better ground clearance, but it seems like the XV-01 is geared more aggressively. But remember, we saw in the manual that the XV-02 was meant to be a brushless setup. So I'll change out the electronics and do another test and see if we can improve the wheel speed of the XV-02. If you enjoy this kind of video, please drop it a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.